Hello and welcome to my Illustrator tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to use the tool of image trace. In my case, I use it to turn JPEGs into PNGs or to change the color of some images, such as these logos. To start off, we have the Arkansas logo. That is the more complex example, and then I have my own logo, which is just one color. So first of all, we're going to duplicate this just in case that we want to have the original files. And now we've got a copy of both. I'm going to put this one over here so you can see the result. First of all, over here on the top, we are going to click on image trace, and as you can see, it looks bad. Like, what is this? This is not what I wanted. But to make this better, so it isn't just a silhouette, we're going to go over here in preset. We click it, and there's going to be a bar with a lot of options. What we want is to choose 16 colors, shades of gray, or a black and white logo. This depending on the tool that we want to use. So you can see black and white, it doesn't do anything because it just puts every color into black and white. Then shades of gray, you can see that it is loading because it's tracing the image that you provided, and as you can see, it's just gray shading. So we're going to choose 16 colors just because we have color in our image. But yeah, you can see that it is traced perfectly, practically. And what we are going to do now is go on the top again and click on expand, and we wait. There we go. As you can see, now this image has been turned into a lot of layers that we can just take off if we unselect this. As you can see, we can play around with the layers as if we made the logo ourselves. So now it is not a PNG, but you can just easily just unselect that. Or if you still want it to be in there, for example, you just double click it and click again. You want to make sure these little dots are there, so you're sure that that's the outline. This is all that we're going to be selecting. And now over here on the top, we're going to choose the left color palette, and you are going to select any color that you want. As you can see, it changes. And if you want it to be transparent and just not unselect the layer, you're just going to click in here where it's white and with a red line. It means not color, and that's it. To exit this, you do not press enter. If you press enter, but you don't want this we don't want to mess around with this. So if you click it, just click cancel or ESC. And yeah, to get out of here, just press ESC and select the other thing. And we've got it. Here it is, the Kansas logo. And if we want to change color, it's the same as the other one. You just make sure you select your layer, the color. Make sure the dots are in there, so you're sure that you have selected that. And now you just change the color, for example, and there we go. As easy as that. If you want to, you can select multiple. You can see, just be careful not to select any other. You can select a bunch of them. You can change it to anything. You just selected multiple, and there you go. That's how you use the image trace tool on a bigger logo. It just separates everything that you have provided on an image into multiple layers, so you can manipulate however you want. Now for just another example, the simpler logo, that is the one of mine. You do the exact same thing, image trace, it turns into a JPEG. You change it from default. In this case, it doesn't matter which one you choose. So I would recommend that you select the black and white logo because it's just one color, and click expand, and it's the same. You can see you can either make sure you select these parts and just erase them, or you could just simply go into the layers, like over here, go into the layers and just do the following, just like that. And now you can change the color however you want. Yeah, for example, let's say we want blue. Well, we already have blue, so we want a white, and there we go, it is white. And you can see as well that no quality has been lost in the process. It's exactly how we exported it. And so yeah, that's how you use this tool. That in my case, it has been very useful for my last project, the one of the logo book. So yeah, that's how you use it, and I hope this was useful. And yeah.